Hello, today I want to shoot a video about this 2020 Mustang wide body conversion. Um, the reason of the video is I had a couple people asking me about what's the cost to do a wide body conversion into a Mustang. And I like to start by talking about the body kit. The body kit that I found for this car that I liked and I decided to buy, it's made by a company called Craftsman. The body kit ranges from 65 to $7,000. Um, that's just to give you an idea what you're looking at as far as the body kit on the car. And so that will be the first thing that you're gonna spend when you do a wide body conversion. And I'm gonna show you the parts. So the kit consists of the front bumper. It has a custom hood with tempered glass window in the center. Comes with the flares, the skirts on the side, lower skirts, these back fenders. It comes with the rear bumper, and this is actually one of the reasons we bought this body kit, because we really like the way the bumper meets the fender. It hides the tire, as you can see right here. I really like the way that looks, and that was the main reason we bought this kit. This kit comes with the option of you putting your exhaust right here just below the license plate. You have to do this exhaust tape. We actually had to do that custom. We spent about $1,000 modifying the exhaust so that it can meet this new exhaust tape. We also added sequential LED turn signals right there. And the next thing that I want to talk about is the wing. The kit did not came with a wing, so we actually ordered a wing from Shelby. I believe that wing was about $300. And so right there we have the body kit, which is $65,000 to $7,000. We have the wing that is $300. We have the exhaust tape that is about $1,000 if you decide to put your exhaust right here. So just keep that on mind. Now the next thing that I want to talk about that it's big and really important is that you need to know that if you're going to be doing a wide body conversion, you're going to need custom wheels with a negative offset. Now since you're extending the car about 4 to 5 inches, you need to have a different wheel. They have to be custom made. These wheels right here are 20 by 12 on the back, and you have to have a company make them for you, and these are forged wheels, so you're gonna be spending anywhere between $1,000 to $2,500 per wheel. So keep that on mind, because you will not be able to find wheels that are just ready available for cars like these. They have to be custom made, and you're going to be spending quite a bit of money on that. Just be aware of that. I'm familiar and I deal with wheels and tires. When I decided to do my body conversion or my wide body, I didn't think it was going to be a big deal, but I was surprised by the fact that I had to spend so much money into a set of wheels. It's not the end of the world, but I wasn't expecting it to be like that. I actually thought, oh, I'm gonna be able to find a set of wheels, real DC or whatever, but I wasn't. So that's a mistake that I made. And like I said, it's not the end of the world, but you need to be prepared for these. And if you know you're gonna have to spend all of these, and you decide to go ahead and build a car like this, then you know what you're gonna spend. I've actually didn't think about this, and between the wheels and tires, you're definitely looking about expending about $8,000, depending on the wheel and the tire that you use. But like on these ones, we're using the Michelin Pilot Super Sport. These are 335 3020 on the back. These tires are about $450 to $500 a piece. On the front, we're using a 325 2520. It's also a Michelin Pilot Sport, and these tires are the same, about $450 to $500. So I mean, right there between the wheels and the tires, you have $8,000, and I think that covers everything. as far as the parts that you need. So once you have your body kit, which is $65 to $7,000, you have about $8,000 on the wheels and tires. You have $1,000 on the exhaust, $300 on the wing. Oh, that gives you an idea what you're going to be expending on the parts, the body kit, the wheels. But now the next thing you need to consider is if you're doing something like this, you're going to have to pay someone to install the body kit or do it yourself. Either way, it's going to have a cost. If you do it yourself, you'll definitely be able to save money on the installation. This is not really all that hard to do, but you have to be willing to do all the work and fit it and find a way to install it. You want to make sure that if you install it, that you actually get a lot of information on how to attach it into the body. You want to make sure that it's secure into the body. You don't want to be driving down the road and things coming off from the car. You need to make sure you do a good job with these. So that would be the next thing that you will have to actually worry about if you're going to be doing a body conversion. Either you're going to pay someone to install the kit, or you're going to install it yourself. I'm gonna say that probably the cost of installing the body kit on the car is going to be probably about $6,000 to $7,000, and that's going to be to attach everything and put everything together on the car. Once you actually do that, you're going to have to pay someone to paint it, or again, you're going to paint it yourself, but you're going to expend some money to paint all the body kit. And you know, the kit is pretty big. If you consider that you have to paint the hood, the front bumper, which is a one piece, the fenders, the skirts, and all the back bumper, so it's quite a bit of work. You need to keep that on mind. Once you do it, you have to, if you want to keep the same color in your car, which probably will be the cheaper way to do it. If you like the color that you have in your car, you'll save money by just painting the body kit. In my case, it was different because I decided to change the color of the whole car. And I'm gonna say that the paint job on this car was about $10,000 to change the color on the car and paint the body kit. We actually take the time to paint the car, and we painted the door jambs, and we had to disassemble the door panels and everything to paint it. But we wanted to make sure that it looked right. Keep that in mind if you're going to be doing a body kit and you want to have a color change. You're going to have to pay some money on that. It's really hard to say how much you will actually have to pay, because I'm not sure which way you're going to go. But keep in mind that there will be some cost on that. And as I said before, today the video was just to give you an idea what you will expend if you do a body kit, and just be aware that there's going to be quite a bit of money that you need to spend on these. I think it's worth it. I'm happy with the outcome. I really like the way my car looks, and I'm happy with it. Please subscribe and comment on the channel if you haven't done so. Please make the time and subscribe, and we'll be posting more videos of or any of our builds. And thank you for watching. And if you're gonna go ahead and build one of these cars, good luck. And if you have any questions and we can assist you in any kind of way, let us know. Send us a message, and we'll make the time to answer any messages from everyone. And good luck. Thank you for watching.